Welcome to this tutorial on np.where parentheses for conditional selection. In this video, you'll learn how to use one of NumPy's most powerful functions for selecting elements based on conditions. This function will help you filter and transform array data efficiently. np.where is a powerful NumPy function that returns elements chosen from two arrays based on a conditional test. It evaluates a condition element by element and selects values from different sources depending on whether the condition is true or false. This makes it incredibly useful for data manipulation and transformation tasks. The basic syntax of np.where is straightforward. It takes three arguments: condition, x, and y. The condition is the Boolean test you want to apply. X represents the value or array to use when the condition is true, and Y represents the value or array to use when the condition is false. Here's how np.where works step by step. First, if the condition is true for an element, the function returns the corresponding value from X second. If the condition is false, it returns the corresponding value from Y third. This process is applied element Ys across the entire array, making it very efficient for large datasets. Let's look at a simple example. We create an array with values 1, 5, 3, 8, and 2. Then we use np.where to check if each element is greater than 3. If true, we return the string high. If false, we return low. The output shows low, high, low, corresponding to each element's comparison with 3. You can also use arrays as the x and y arguments instead of single values. In this example, we have an array with values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and a bonus array with 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. We use np.where to add the bonus only to elements greater than 25. The result is 10, 20, 30, 60, and 75, where only the last two elements had their bonuses applied. When you use np.where with only a condition and no x or y arguments, it returns the indices where the condition is true. In this example, we have an array with 15, 22, 8, 35, and 12. We find indices where values are greater than 20. The function returns a tuple containing an array with indices 1 and 3, which correspond to the values 22 and 35. Let's summarize the key takeaways. np.where is a powerful tool for conditional selection in arrays. It works with scalars or arrays as replacement values, giving you flexibility in how you transform your data. It can return indices when used with a condition only, making it useful for filtering operations. And finally, it's efficient and vectorized, making it perfect for large datasets. Practice using np.where in your own projects to master this essential NumPy function.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.